Hi friends, can you help me sort the animals into the correct habitat? This is a rooster. Roosters live on land. Let's place the rooster on the grass. This is a sperm whale. A sperm whale lives in the ocean. This is a sheep. A sheep lives on the land. This is a rabbit. That's right, it lives on land. This is a crab. A crab lives in the ocean. This is a dolphin. A dolphin lives in the ocean. This is a bull. A bull lives on land. This is a duck. Ducks live on land. This is a whale shark. A whale shark lives in the ocean. This is a turtle. A turtle lives in the ocean. This is a cow. A cow lives on land. This is a horse. That's right, it lives on land. This is a hammerhead shark. Its head is shaped like a hammer and it lives in the ocean. This is a turkey. You can find turkeys on land. This is a donkey. A donkey lives on land. This is a whale shark. A whale shark. You can find whale sharks in the ocean. This is an octopus. An octopus lives in the ocean. This is a cat. A cat lives on land. This is a seal. A seal lives in the ocean. This is a crayfish. You can find crayfish in the ocean. This is a hen. You will find hens at the farm. This is a walrus. A walrus lives in the ocean. This is a dog. A dog lives on land. This is a great white shark, and it lives in the ocean. Well done, we have sorted our animals. Thank you for watching.